Hey, it's Travis Stirewalt coming to you from the Air Power Assemble Lab in High Point, North Carolina, with a special guest, Chris Scarborough. How you doing, Chris?
Doing well.
Good, good. All right, so today I'm going to play Vanna White over here, and I know it's a stretch, but we're going to talk about this tool here, and I'm going to assist. Maybe you're more like a magician, and I'm holding all the fun stuff. All right, so tell us what we're looking at.
So Ingersoll Rand has introduced the new 2236 DXS Drive Xchange System tool. Builds on the platform of the all-popular 2235, bringing 200 foot-pounds more for a total of 1,500 foot-pounds breakaway torque with this platform. But what's so unique about this is the interchangeable anvil system. So historically, sockets coming on, coming off. You got 4 points on your anvil corners. The wear point of the anvil is your corners where a little slop develops. Or say your operator drops this and cracks your anvil, where historically you would have to send this entire tool off.
Because this was part of the actual...
Yes. So the anvil is built in. So
impact. Okay.
Historically, if this cracks, wears, whatever, you have to send the entire tool off to be serviced.
And if you don't have a backup,
you're down.
You're in trouble.
You're down.
Okay.
So what we've come out now with is an interchangeable system. So we have a detent pin on the back side of the anvil, which allows us to go from a 3/8, ½ inch, or all the way up to 3/4. And we have different kits depending on what sizes you need. If you don't want to buy the whole gamut, you just buy what you need. So comes with a standard ½ inch, and it's a simple of, we got an arrow on the anvil, line up your detent pin here, take your tool, which it could be used with a small screwdriver or anything, and pop that anvil right out. So if I need to size up, if I need to change anvil drive sizes, I can. So unique proprietary to Ingersoll Rand is the spline drive system. You have a large tooth where the detent pin is, so you can line that straight up to go in. Another unique thing on this tool is the grease fitting is down in the bottom, so there's no grease on the outside of the gun.
So you're just applying the grease right here,
directly into the back of the anvil setting, which that also allows the grease to go directly down into the hammer system. So it's greasing even more direct than anywhere else on the tool. So
now I see we've got different sizes here. So they all work exactly the same, but they come with extensions as well, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So you're not having to add an extension onto the end of your 4-corner anvil. You're actually getting a little bit more torque transfer with having more touch points on the back side of the anvil drive. So we were at your standard ½ inch. So if we wanted to size up to a 3/4, 8 inch, which we go anywhere from the standard 2-inch extension all the way up to 10-inch extension. So I just pop that right into the anvil, find your large tooth. There we go.
What does the gun come standard with versus, and how do they order other pieces?
The standard platform is just with your ½ inch not extended anvil, but you can order different kits. You can order a couple different, I think it comes with 2 anvils. But what this helps with, like I said earlier, was the interchangeability. So I can have one tool platform running multiple sizes. I can have interchangeable, so if the tool or the anvil breaks, you're not down a tool. So also you only have to buy one tool platform, and you can run 10 different configurations. So
what's on the back of the gun? I noticed that when we were turning it around.
Standard any other impact wrench. You have your forward and reverse, and then the selector where you can change your torque in 3 different modes there. So
okay.
Full power's 1,500 breakaway torque pounds, over 200 stronger than the previous ½ inch as well.
Okay.
I think I mentioned that. But
so Air Power fully supports this technology, and I'm assuming this will go in with our repair division as well. Once
yes, which this will cut down on the repairs.
Yep,
so,
absolutely.
Greatly.
Okay. Chris, thank you very much.
Yes, Travis.
Thanks for taking us on a tour of this piece of equipment. All right, so if you got any questions, 1-800-334-1001 or visit airpower-usa.com.